Hey guys, Base44 is an AI-powered app builder that is great for rapidly building internal tools, MVPs, and simple business apps, but it may be too restrictive for complex public-facing products. The key pros include fast prototyping, a built-in database, user management, and the ability to make conversational edits. Cons are that the AI can struggle with complex logic or long edits, and customer support has a frequent complaint. So users can create a working prototype or MVP quickly, like you see in the screen, sometimes in minutes, making it ideal for solo founders or small teams. No code, low code. It allows users to build apps with minimal to no coding knowledge, using conversational prompts for both building and refinement. Integrated features. Base44 includes a fully integrated database and user management, eliminating the need for third-party services for those functions. They have code access behind a paid wall. For more advanced users, paid plans offer the ability to export the projects as a zip file or as a GitHub, as we explained in the earlier videos. Okay? So, the cons is limited for complex apps. The platform can feel boxed in and is not ideal for large-scale, complex, or highly custom public-facing applications, according to some reviews. The AI may lose context during long edit sessions, require reprompting, or make errors that require manual fixes. Also, the customer support issues. A significant number of user reviews cite major problems with the quality and responsiveness of customer support. Potential for lock-in. Some users have reported an inability to release apps or faced issues with the export functionality. So it's crucial to validate export rights and migration paths before committing. All right. So before you use it, validate your use case, test the export, consider the limitations, and manage your expectations for support. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.